Ready? Where's that? Where's that?
What number is that?
Where's that?
It's a speed limit sign.
Where is that?
Not important for you yet.
5.
That is a 5. You were right about that.
7.
No, that's not a 7. It is... The serif is throwing you off, isn't it?
8.
No. How many fingers am I holding up?
2.
Huh? How many fingers am I holding up?
2.
No.
1.
Yeah.
Oh, 2.
You want to hold it 2? Can you do it just like this?
2.
Can you do it?
I do it.
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh.
1.
Here, hold up.
3, 4, 2, 3.
Okay, hold up the ones that are left. Oh no, you slipped one out. Okay, go. 2. That's how many you are. Yours.
I'll do it in 1 man.
What?
I want to do it in 1 man.
You know I don't speak Spanish.
I can do it in 1 man too. What is that?
What is what?
Builder, I got this.
He does have on eyeglasses.
Got this.
Yes, he does have on glasses.
What's that?
What do you think that is? I've told you a billion times.
That's a drink.
No, it's not a drink, but it's oh so delicious.
What's that?
Honey.
That's a cup.
It's honey.
That's a cup.
A cup o' honey.
Cup of honey.
Yes.
Let's open it.
You go open it. Open it up. Take a big spoonful.
Oh, it's open.
Is it open? Oh, get it. Get some food out.
That was a drink. What's the milk?
Yeah?
What's the milk?
Oh, we're out. We gotta get some more in the morning.
Mm.
Did you get some milk? Did you get some honey out? Is it yummy?
Open.
You open it. You are aware this is pretend, right?
Here.
We're not really trying to get honey out of the book, right?
Here. Eat that. Want some more milk?
Some what?
Want some milk?
Oh, we don't have any milk, sweetheart. We gotta go to the store in the morning. Yeah. So what you had for dinner was it?
Milk.
I have water.
What?
You've already brushed your teeth, so you don't really need anything else.